On this festive season of 2020, on Big Billion Day sales on Flipkart, I have ordered a refrigerator. This one is Samsung 345-liter double-door convertible refrigerator. We can have a walk around, unbox and see what's inside. You can see this is taller than me. I am really excited to unbox this. Let's start the unboxing. Now, we are seeing the right side of the refrigerator. There is some descriptions. Here it has the model and the color. Elegant inox. Dimension is 64 cm in width, 70.50 cm in depth, and 1.76 meter in height. Net weight is 56.50 kg, and MRP is 44,990. This is the front side of the box. Here is the power saving gate. We all know, more star means more power saving. This is a 3-star refrigerator as per 2020 BE rating. You can see it here. Its electricity consumption is 212 units per year. Brand, model, year, everything is written here also. You can see its gross volume is 345 liters and the storage volume, this is the volume inside the fridge. It is 321 liters. This one was selling in Flipkart for 33,990 rupees. For this one, I have exchanged my existing refrigerator, 12-year-old Godrej single-door refrigerator for 3,600 rupees and got a 10% discount for SBI card plus no cost EMI. After I got this refrigerator for 24,717 rupees. I feel this is a pretty good deal. Next, we can open the refrigerator. We are opening a box taller than me, so I need some support. First, cut this wrapper. Finally, we have unboxed the refrigerator. We can have a closer look on the front. On the center, we have a control panel. There on the top, it is written Twin Cooling Plus. This is a technology by Samsung. It has two fans so that it can cool the fridge and refrigerator compartment separately. This is a convertible fridge. This control panel used to convert this based on our requirement. We can have a complete look of this control panel after turning it on. Next, have the power rating. We have already seen this on the cover. It is same pasted here. You can see it is a 3-star as per 2020 BE rating. My old Godrej 192-liter refrigerator was 4-star as per 2017 BE rating. Even though the older refrigerator was 4-star, it used 318 units per year. This double-size fridge used 106 units less, which is awesome. So when you compare the power rating, always check the year too. Year advances, the standards are getting better. Next, this comes with 10-year compressor warranty and 1 year on the refrigerator. This one uses digital inverter technology. That means The compressor can run on variable speed based on the cooling requirement, and this gives you better power efficiency. Compressor using inverter technology are better than normal compressor. This one can run on 7 variable speeds. Next, connect inverter. This is different from what we discussed earlier, that is digital inverter technology. But this digital inverter technology helped to attain this feature. You all know all refrigerators were impossible to connect to inverter because it used large amount of electricity. Here, since this used digital inverter technology and its compressor can run on variable speed, when you are on power failure, you can connect this to your home inverter and it detects it is running on the inverter and it uses less power to keep your food safe. When it is running on the home inverter, it consumes power less than 2 CFL bulb. It is great. Stabilizer free operation. Since it can run on variable voltage from 100 volt to 300 volt, you don't need to worry about the damage by voltage fluctuations. 21 years of reliability tested by VDE. VDE is Europe's largest technical scientific association. VDE performs standardization work, product testing, and certification. This product's reliability is tested by VDE. Let's open and see how the freezer compartment. Here we have ample of space. Stand is of fiber. Next, on the door we have 2 bottle holders. Next, let's see the fridge compartment. It is really huge, more than enough for a 5-member family. Let's see the vegetable tray. Huge, no other words to say when it is compared to my old refrigerator. I am really surprised. Let's open it and see. There is something on the vegetable tray. Take it outside and check. Safely packed with some adhesive tape so that it won't move on transport. Let's remove it and take it outside. Keep it here. Now you can clearly see how big is the vegetable tray. Next, there is some documentation. First is the user manual. It is in both Hindi and English. Other one is easy reference guide. Place the vegetable tray back and have a quick look inside. There are 3 stands. This stand is of tempered glass and Samsung says it can hold up to 750 kg. This is also great. On the door, top we have a storage area. Then 2 egg holders. We can place 16 eggs. Tall bottle guard. The front has a metallic finish. The side has some textures. This is the rear side. It is completely covered. I will rotate and have a closer look. Let's look at the specification. Last, RT37 3-star is our model number. Refrigerant R600A. I don't know what it is. Some technical specification. Next, input watt is 100 watt and 1 ampere. Here is the 3-pin plug. This is the rear look. Next, let's open the box we have taken out from the vegetable tray. This is the movable ice tray. Let's have a look on the ice tray. We can tilt this handle and get all ice on the tray. It would be really good if they have placed two separate handles on the ice tray for these two trays. Now it dispenses complete ice on one tilt. This is how it looks. Finally, we have unboxed the refrigerator and placed it near the power socket. So, before powering it on, we need to wait for 1 hour. Because on the unboxing, the fluid on the fridge might have shaken. So, we must give time to settle down before powering it on. After 1 hour, we have turned on the refrigerator. After turning it on, we need to wait 3 to 4 hours before placing the food because fridge and the freezer should reach the preset temperature to keep the food fresh. Let's have a look after turning it on. An LED light on the top, twin cooling plus badging near the vent. Light is evenly dispersed across the cabin. Next, there is a deodorizing filter. This prevents mixing of different food aromas, which helps to keep the food fresh. Door sensor on the left side of the fridge. Freezer. I have placed the movable ice tray. No LED lights on the freezer. It is common for all double door refrigerator. It is not about simply putting a light. It needs the sensor to turn it on and off, as we see in the fridge compartment. And also moisturizing protection and sealing for the light and sensors. Doing all this does not make any sense and it is not cost effective. Freezer is a small area and not much search required to find item. Kitchen light is enough for this. Next, we can have a look on the control panel. How to set different temperature, how to enable power freeze and power cool, and also see how to set different convertible modes. First, I will just brief about the convertible feature. Based on different user requirements, fridge and freezer compartment can be turned on or off separately. Freezer you can turn on, turn off, and extend as fridge means set same temperature as fridge. Fridge compartment can be turned off and on. These all are the different convertible modes in this refrigerator. Let's see the buttons on the control panel. There are 3 buttons on this and it is placed at the bottom side of the control panel. None of the other things are clickable. First one is the freezer button, second is the freezer convertible button and fridge button. That's all. Only 3 buttons to control the refrigerator, and it is pretty simple also. You can see different temperature levels are marked on both left and right side. Left side shows the freezer temperature and right side shows the fridge temperature. Like you see, it can illuminate. You are seeing the -19 on the left side and 3 on the right side means we have set the freezer temperature to -19 so that refrigerator try to keep the freezer compartment at 90 degrees Celsius. Same for the fridge, it try to keep the fridge compartment at 3 degrees Celsius. And clicking on the fridge change the fridge temperature. Lowest freezer temperature is -23 and the highest is -15 degrees Celsius. By single click on the freezer button, you can change the freezer temperature, and clicking on the fridge change the fridge temperature. Umbrella, it means the fridge compartment is off. Once again, right button change the fridge temperature. It can be set from 1 degree Celsius to 7 degrees Celsius. The single click on the left button change the freezer temperature. It can be set from -23 to 15 degrees Celsius. Now we have learned how to set the temperature. Next, let's look into different convertible modes. We have already said this is a 5-way convertible refrigerator. Freezer converter button on the middle is used to convert the freezer. Let's see what are the different convertible modes. First one is normal mode. We are using the fridge as fridge and freezer as freezer. This is the default settings. We can see both fridge temperature and freezer temperature on the control panel on this mode, as we have seen now. Next is extra storage mode. Here we are setting the freezer as fridge to get more space. This gives you 62% extra savings. This mode is set by pressing the freezer converter button. When I hold it for 3 seconds, you can see the freezer temperature turn off and the fridge turn on here on the control panel. That means you can use the freezer as fridge, which helps to store extra item as fresh as in the fridge compartment. Next, seasonal mode, that is, switch off the freezer when you don't need it, and the fridge will be operational. This gives you 64% extra savings. You can see that on the picture. To set this, press the freezer converter button until the off illuminates. This means the freezer is off. Fourth, vacation mode. You can turn off the fridge and keep the freezer on. When you are going for vacation, you can store some food in the freezer. This will give you 55% extra savings. Let's see how to set this mode. First, make sure that the freezer is on. If not, turn on by pressing the freezer converter button. Now, we have turned it on and then press the fridge button to illuminate the umbrella, which turn off the fridge. This is how we set the vacation mode. Fridge is off, only the freezer is on. Next, the last mode, it is home alone. Use freezer as a mini fridge. If you are alone in the home and have not much to store in the fridge, you can switch off the fridge and use freezer as a mini fridge. This will give you 75% extra savings. Let's see how to set this. Set the fridge on the umbrella using the fridge button. And then click the freezer converter button until the fridge illuminates on the control panel. This is how we set the home alone mode. This is all about setting different convertible modes on this refrigerator. The last but another important feature, that is power freeze and power cool. By holding the freezer button for 3 seconds, we can enable the power freeze for the freezer. It will illuminate the power freeze icon on the control panel, which means the refrigerator will speed up the ice making process. Usually ice making takes 90 minutes. If you enable power freeze, it will do it in 55 minutes. Similarly, power cool. It will cool the fridge compartment temporarily to 1 degree Celsius with its almost instant chill. Beverages will be quickly cooled for drinking and food stay fresh longer. By holding the fridge button for 3 seconds, enable the power cool. You can see the power cool is also illuminated. You can turn off both by pressing and holding the button again for 3 seconds. This is all about Samsung convertible refrigerator. I will have the link in the description. By this, we are winding up the unboxing. Thanks for watching.